a very, congratulations for being a Goodwill ambassador. I was just going through the reports, then I get to know that malnutrition during pregnancy causes the child to have increased risk of future diseases. So we just go through all the figures and all the statistics. Being a Bollywood celebrity, I have seen films, we hardly go through with films जो ऐसे causes को promote करते हैं. तो क्या आप ऐसे causes को promote करते हुए कोई film बनाना चाहेंगी? कुछ क्योंकि आपने
बनाई है actually. एक film, I think there is a video, right? You guys have made.
Yeah.
I think it'll be.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's going to be shown now.
Because जो women है Sonam, वो because of lack of knowledge, they don't get into all this. They don't know.
Awareness is very important. Awareness बहुत important है.
And हमारी Indian audience film को देखकर.
Ma'am, I think you've asked your question. We'll just ask her to answer.
That's what I want to ask. That.
Yes. Yeah, thanks.
Would you like? Would you like
no,
to
of
make
course,
such films?
there are so many. Cinema is a very any art is a very great platform to inspire people to do better. But like when you see the statistics in our country and when you see the sadness and sometimes the poverty and stuff, people go to if they spend 200 rupees or 250 rupees or 50 rupees in smaller towns or 100 rupees in smaller towns and villages and stuff like that, they want to go see color and entertainment and fun and songs and dance because they want to forget about their daily grief, you know. It was a very big, my sister was studying in New York University and they were talking about why Indian cinema is so colorful and why there's so much music and why there's so much dance. But I can also talk about two of my films that did very well. One was Prem Ratan Dhan Payo and the other one was Neerja. They're both very different films and they both released 2 months within each other. And both of them did equally well. I'm not talking about numbers, I'm talking about, you know, the way they did talking about profit. And so it's not like India doesn't want one kind of film or not another kind of film. Anything that is an honest portrayal of what true India is or true Indian people are is what India wants to see. And so I can't answer that question because I just did Prem Ratan and Neerja and they were both very different films. So I can't be like, oh, we can do this, but I think the country also needs a film like a Prem Ratan or a Sultan, or, but they also need films like Neerja, which is, there are no songs and no dance, but it speaks about being the best version of yourself. I don't know, but I hope that certain causes are underlined, maybe on a subliminal level or a more obvious level. Let's see. Yeah, of course, I'm trying my very best. I haven't signed anything yet, but I'm trying.
Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. So why these three regions? There are many regions in India like Northeast, Odisha, Jharkhand, जहाँ की population ज़्यादातर बहुत ही poverty level से गुजरती है, तो वहाँ पर आप क्यों नहीं काम कर रहे?
जो हिंदुस्तान के सबसे खराब states हैं in terms of malnutrition, 2 out of those are Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Maharashtra is a little better on that scenario. Of course, Bihar, there are some states in the north which are equally bad, let's say. But, one of the things that we decided to do was to work alongside with the government, not against the government, not independent of the government, and so on and so forth. So we said, जहाँ पे सरकार हमारी मदद करेगी, जहाँ हम सरकार की मदद कर सकते हैं, collaborative relationship हो सकता है, तो जिन states ने हमारे साथ MOU sign किए, तो all these 3 states have signed an MOU with us where we work along with the Anganwadi workers, we work alongside the ASHA workers and so on and so forth, and make sure that the impact is the maximum and the largest part of the problem can be resolved. So that is part of the reason why we started with these 3 states, and we are very happy to say that the impact has been truly tremendous, by working with these states.
यानी दूसरे जो states है, इसका मतलब ये है कि those people जो government authorities है, they are not attentive to these cause?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. देखिए, कुछ 8-10 साल पहले तक, you know, the whole attitude of the central government and the state governments was, there is no problem in India. You know, this is not an Indian problem because it is a political hot potato, है ना? So people used to say नहीं. But जैसे जैसे individual incidents आते गए, you know, like the media brought up this whole issue of Palghar now. You know, so similarly in various states, राजस्थान पत्रिका ने कुछ निकाले, मध्य प्रदेश में हुआ, दैनिक भास्कर ने कुछ निकाला, and so on and so forth. So as the issues came more and more to light, the government said, oh my God, we really need to do something about it. And some governments obviously had an easier time to do it. Some governments find it more difficult. Funds, there are so many issues involved in this. And we bring our own funds, we raise our own funds. For example, this evening, we are having a fundraising program where we will be raising funds for the. So it is a collaborative effort. तो जहाँ collaboration maximum मिला, वहाँ हमने 3 states में start कर दिया, of which 2 are the worst affected states. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are amongst the 5 most affected states.
चलिए, पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस की बात तो अलग होगी. एक होता है प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बात होती है, जैसे कि आप कलेक्टिव वर्क करते हैं आंगनवाड़ी इस तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ, तो उन स्टेट्स में इस तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आगे आ रहे हैं आपके साथ?
देखिए, ये जो 2-3 स्टेट्स में हमने एग्जाम्पल खड़े किए हैं, उससे क्या हो रहा है कि दूसरे स्टेट्स उनको भी थोड़ी सी इंस्पिरेशन मिल रही है. तो वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि अरे, अगर मध्य प्रदेश में ऐसा काम हो सकता है तो हमारे यहाँ क्यों नहीं हो सकता? अगर वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के फंड्स वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं तो हमारे पास क्यों नहीं आ सकते? सो धीरे धीरे एक तो अवेयरनेस बढ़ रही है प्रॉब्लम की, दूसरा the willingness to do something is also increasing with the state governments, with the bureaucracy, with the people at large, and the media is the one that जो इस पूरे issue को जागरूक कर रहा है. So I think overall it's a good situation, and hopefully we can light this fire across the country, you know, and eventually get to a goal where by 2030 our country is free of hunger and malnutrition. You know, that is the overall goal. अब कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे, कोशिश तो 2030 तक हमें इस प्रॉब्लम को एलिमिनेट. देखिए, पोलियो को हमने बहुत अच्छी तरह इरेडिकेट किया है, और ये भी इरेडिकेट, फुल्ली इरेडिकेट हो सकती है, और उसी से हमको बहुत आशा मिलती है, हमें बहुत उत्साह मिलता है. तो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग.